Want to make Keypirinha even more powerful? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom commands in Keypirinha so you can launch websites, open folders, run programs, or perform other actions with your own shortcuts. So let's get everything set up step by step. Start by opening Keypirinha. Then open the application menu and select the option to edit the user configuration. This opens the configuration files where you can customize how Keypirinha behaves. Inside the configuration folder, look for the package that handles custom commands. If it is not already configured, you can create or edit the sample configuration provided with Keypirinha. Yeah, this section is where your personal commands will be stored. Now create a new command by giving it a unique name, choosing the keyword you'll type into Keypirinha, and specifying the action you want it to perform. For example, you can create a command that opens your favorite website, launches an application, or opens a specific folder. After adding your command, save the configuration file. Then reload Keypirinha's configuration. This allows the launcher to recognize your new custom command immediately. Open the Keypirinha launcher again and type the keyword you created. If everything was configured correctly, your custom command should appear in the results. Press Enter to run it and confirm that it performs the expected action. And that's how you create custom commands in Keypirinha. Once you start adding shortcuts for your favorite tools and websites, everyday tasks become much faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Keypirinha tutorials for even more productivity tips.